Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at the one and only mistress of magic, Zatanna. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a DC Direct action figures, mages, mystics, and magicians, fully posable action figure featuring Zatanna. Okay, and you can see her side by side with the illustration of Dr. Fate and Spectre, the powerhouses in DC when it comes to magic. But Zatanna herself is no slouch. She has a good variety spectrum of magical energy. So at the back of the cardboard, we see a brief description of Zatanna. Okay, you can see her pose here. The top-hatted heroine known as Zatanna is the daughter of Zatara, one of the 20th century's first superheroes. Like her father, she has the uncanny ability to work magic of almost any kind simply by speaking backwards. So, backwards magic. Despite her power and the fact that she has battled beside the Justice League of America, Zatanna prefers to spend her time at Bewitch, a nightclub for magical beings. Okay, so aside from Zatanna, there are other figures here you can collect from the series, as well as other list of Vertigo and Sandman figures. Okay, so for the magicians, we have Hellblazer, I think this is John Constantine, Dr. Fate, and Spectre. Okay, so that's it. Before we unbox this, as always, let's take a look at some Heroclix figures of Zatanna. And this is the classic costume of Zatanna, blue and top hat with fishnet stockings. And we fortunately have all the Heroclix versions of that figure. So we have here from the, I don't know what set this is. Okay. One of the earlier sets of DC, I guess. We have the rookie Zatanna. Okay. So the sculpt is, something, a lot to be desired. Okay, but that's typically the case for Golden Age figures. We have the rookie, the experience at the middle blue, and the red ring veteran Zatanna. Okay, so she has flight, and she has 8 range across the 3 dials. This one has all of them has ESD and Force Blast as well, but the other 2, the experience and veteran, have incapacitate. So we're not going to go through the entire dial because these are uncarded figures. This is set number 55 to 57. And again, one look. Okay. Hard to focus on the figure. Okay, not much detail on the face, but you can see the pose of Zatanna here. And she's on a flight stand. So I haven't played Heroclix yet during this time, but they said that you can move this up and down to indicate whether she's floating or not. So anyway, aside from those 3, we also have a limited edition of Zatanna, okay, with her full name, Zatanna Zatara, and she has the Mystics team ability for 35 points. Set number 219 on that same set. Still have this almost the same power sets like the regular ones. Okay, so 8 attack, 2 damage, 14 defense will not be enough in modern games, so most likely this will not get a legacy treatment. Okay, so that is our figures of Zatanna, classic Zatanna in Heroclix form. So let's put them aside for now and go back to unboxing the main event. Okay, I was contemplating whether I will unbox this or not. Okay, because sometimes I have the tendency to keep my favorite figures in mint condition. Okay, mint in sealed box. But since we were moving houses or units rather in the condominium, I had to clear out some space, and that meant clearing out some boxes. So I had to unbox some figures, so including this one. Okay, so we're not gonna keep the box, we're gonna throw it. So let's see. Okay, so clearly it's in mint condition. You can see she's well tied. Okay, also comes with a stand, which I really like because it's hard to stand those figures, with the nameplate Zatanna, Mistress of Magic. Okay. Zatanna became my favorite character because of how sexy she is. Okay. Seemingly, I like fishnets and I like magic. So she is the perfect combination for me. Okay. That's why I hate Jan Constantine, because Constantine is the love interest of Zatanna. That makes me sad. So anyway, okay, she's well tied, but the condition is very much pristine. We don't have a clipper to cut the wires, so we'll do it manually. So she's wearing a magician's coat, color blue, a blue top hat, and again the fishnet stockings. Aesthetic wise, she is pleasing to the eye. This classic version though, not so much, because she's hiding her hair. I like to see her full hair, and I would have loved it if the top hat is removable, but it seems like it's fixed in place. So anyway, let's pop her out. Ooh. So we have Zatanna with a mini pose. Okay, tight joints. I wonder when this was released. Let me look at the box once again. This was released. Is there any indication? 2000. Wow. So 23 years ago as of the video's recording. Wow. Not bad for something that is 23 years old. Okay. So there is articulation on the arms, not so much, but there is. And if we look at the cardboard, yeah, we can only pose her as such. Can we pose her to hold the top hat? Let's see, just like her Heroclix figure, holding the top hat. Not really. Okay, so probably pose her like that and put her on the peg. Okay, there we go. I have to be careful with these things, especially because they're old. Oops. Quite hard to put them in place. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's do the big one first, and then the small one. Next. And sorry. Sorry, Z. Let's try it again. Okay, so I don't like it that it's this hard to get into place. Okay, this should have been just a snap. There you go. And there you go. There she goes. And that's Zatanna. Okay. So we'll put her together with the other Zatannas in the shrine. I'll probably end the video showing the shrine to you guys. So Zatanna, Mistress of Magic, unboxed finally, ready for display. Okay, there she is in the Zatanna shrine together with the other versions of herself. Okay, loving the bombshell Zatanna. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.